Namaste Yogis, thank you for watching my channel Yoga with Indian Yogi. As per my request, my promise, I brought a new concept which is called Bhramari Pranayama. Bhramari is a very nice practice which is practiced to awake the upper body, the top level. I will go in this video the meaning, benefits, the working and how to practice it. So first of all, the meaning, Bhramari Pranayama, which is called vibrational pranayama. We generate the vibrations, and these vibrations are used to improve our confidence level. Basically, our pineal gland, which is on the top of the head, it's activated. The throat, this channel will be so much active. So this video is going to be very informative. So please stay tuned. Now I will come on the point, the definition. As I mentioned, it's vibrational. So if we go on the proper definition, Bhramari means humming, hum. So hum like a bee. As the bee does that noise, it may in the same practice to make the vibrations. The vibrations, why we need to generate vibrations? The reason is that we cannot make those vibrations with normal sound. So we require this specific practice. Number two, how to practice. So for Bhramari, not so much, only one thing, a good posture in which you are comfortable, you may be stable, the back should be straight. Why? Because our nervous system will be active. And now to expand the chest, to align the shoulders, and the same to be very comfortable. For any practice, to be very much relaxed. So as you are stable, you are relaxed, your whole attention on body's posture. For Bhramari, number one, we close the ears. The reason is we don't hear nothing from outside, to disconnect the senses from external world. Second, to cover up the eyes. Why? Because the eyes will be closed, so our whole attention will be basically on this area. It's a very interesting pranayama. Stay there. Now how to practice. So first I mentioned the posture. Very straight. Whenever you will inhale, for example, here you cover up the eyes, close the ears, you take a deep breath. When you have this air inside, you will exhale with this sound. Which is like a bee. And in yogic world, yogic practice, it's called to generate the sound of Om. Om, which is the universal sound, universal energy. So to produce this energy inside of you. So this is a very simple practice, but the benefits are excellent, which are so amazing. They are not limited to your physical body, they work for overall personality. So the practice is same. Whenever you have to inhale, you inhale. When you exhale, you generate the sound with your thyroid gland. There is a connection between thyroid and pineal gland. They are active means all your brain is super fast. Basically, to make your brain sharp, to make your memory sharp, and to make the working of your brain very calm. So this is the most important practice to learn and to practice. You may practice always in odd numbers. You may go for 5, 11, 21, 51, even 101. It depends how much you want. It depends on your level. And the practice before, after completing your Kapalbhati, after completing your Nadi Shodhana or Anulom Vilom, this practice may use. The reason is when you create, when you make those vibrations, your mind becomes calm. So again, I will show you one more time how to practice it proper. Same your posture. After this practice, you may feel it. You will feel a different working, especially here a lot of energy. The reason is all the energy transfers to your upper level. The channels. This is a very important thing. Again, stay tuned. It's very informative. Why? This was how to practice Bhramari and why to practice. What happens? We practice other pranayamas. The physical body is mostly active. But with this pranayama, directly your mental body, emotional body. You're very much emotional. Try this pranayama. You will become neutral. You have so much, I would say, aggression. You have temper. You have fear. A lot of bad things which are inside, negative energy. It will release. It opens up everything. Now the thing comes, when to practice Bhramari. For Bhramari, Brahm is also a very good relation with morning, early morning. Brahmkal, early morning time. What happens that time? A lot of availability of oxygen. The environment is full of positive energy. So with this pranayama, you bring a lot of energy inside, a lot of positive vibes. Even though you don't get time early morning, it may be practiced at sunset. During that time again the energy changes. The sun and moon, they are close by. It's also a very nice time to practice Bhramari. Now the benefits. The benefits of Bhramari, you may practice it if you are not sleeping properly. You have insomnia. What happens in sleeping disorder?